In this video we want to show you, milk duds. Milk duds are having 30% less fat than the average of the leading chocolate candy brands. Milk duds are made with chocolate and caramel. Here are the nutrition facts. Milk duds are gluten-free, as always. Okay, let us open the pack and get them out. You can reclose the box. Let's look inside of one milk dud by taking one bite. There is a pure caramel core, surrounded by a thin chocolate layer. That's it, as simple it sounds. Milk duds consist just of 2 layers. They are simple made, but taste great. The caramel taste is really strong, with a hint of chocolate. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.